Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install latest version of the Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 operating systems. Okay, first go to official website, that is firefox.com. See here, download Firefox. See, if you want to make Firefox as a default browser, you have to select the checkbox. Click on download, unselect it and click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Click on this Firefox installer. See, now it is installing Firefox browser. See, welcome to Firefox. Click on continue and see here the checkbox, set Firefox as default browser. I don't want, so click on save and continue. If you want to import browser data from the Google Chrome or any one of these browsers, you have to select it and you have to see like bookmarks, saved passwords, browser history, extensions and etc. You have to. Okay, if you don't want, then click on the skip this step. See, if you want to fill all the details, you can fill. Otherwise, click on the skip again, skip, sign up. I don't want, so click on start browsing. See, you got the Firefox. So we have successfully installed Firefox on Windows 11 operating system. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.